What up? Southern Smoke Boss. At it again. Got some Boston pork butts. Gonna make us some pulled pork barbecue today. Got my mustard. Got my seasoning stick. Got my famous rub. Got my pecan wood. Got the smoker roll. Smoke roll. Better go ahead and get fired up. We'll have us some backyard boogie. Southern Smoke Boss barbecue. Let's throw my mustard on. Oh, y'all, you know who loves some pulled pork? Out there. I'm telling you, you have to try this recipe. It is amazing. Yeah, I was coming out here. I like to lost all my rub when I was kidded out here. Messed around and dropped it. Then had a top seal. Boy, I was gonna cry. Y'all just don't know. That's just a little of that wood you hear back there popping. Let's try this way. It gonna be some good eating today. My son, my junior, he told me, "Hey, Daddy, I want some of your pulled pork today. Cause you know I'm gonna give him a little birthday party." You know, they hit me with a little mustard across it. Well, a whole lot of mustard. I like a lot of mustard. Y'all know, I don't eat mustard like on a hot dog or hamburger now, but then I love the mustard on here. I don't know why. Y'all tell me what the difference is. Like, help me out. Hit me with some of that rub, boo. Nice. That paprika, that chili powder poking out on there. Look at it go. Yeah, that's what we're talking about, baby. We want that thing covered up. And we gonna get some good flavor all around. Look at that go. Go take off one of these gloves so I can open up the grill. Set that right there. Got the pecan wood up here warming up so it don't go in the box, straight cold box. We'll go ahead, you gotta go to the right. We'll go ahead and open up. There we go. Put us some nice shoulders on this thing today. Set that back there in that back corner. I'm cooking so many pork butts because I want my family to try it out for a taste test. Let me know where I need to go.